Let's see what we have here.
Especially when those branches break.
Beautiful
The
bird.
forest floor is a danger zone in winter. They can't let their guard down.
I bet not. Same thing in the street. Mother can catch you out, tear your ass up.
The snowy ground affords few hiding places. Best to stay up above, out of harm's way. And it's no safer as the sun sets.
And when the owls come out,
Become even more active.
they got owl season night. Tear your ass up.
Temperatures can plummet at night, especially during blizzards. Can this hefty hazel grouse navigate all these challenges?
For a minute, anyway. Hot minute.
A decision has to be made.
I gotta eat, man. Get your eat on, man.
Where did the bird go? It flew toward the ground, but suddenly disappeared.
Diving.
The moment it approached the white snow, poof. Now that's stealth. But the mystery deepens. Where did that inflatable ball of feathers go? Any clues?
Under the ice to catch him something.
How about around here?
Told you. He under there eating, fool.
All of a sudden, an explosion of white. And the hazel grouse bursts out.